Hello students, hope you all are fine well at your home, taking care of yourself and your family too. Students, today I am going to explain you regarding the communication. Communication, the concept of business studies. First of all, what is communication? Communication, everyone knows that we used to communicate when we are exchanging the message is being exchanged between the sender and the receiver. This is the two-way process where there is the relationship and where there is the process between the sender and the receiver. The process where there is the transmission, where there is the exchange of ideas, exchange of any kind of the message, whether that is oral or whether that is written. That is known as the communication. Everyone used to follow the concept of the communication every day. On the other hand, the means of communication may be the spoken words that we are speaking, the oral communication it may be in the form of the written communication. On the other hand, the diagrams, gestures, that is also the way of communication. Through diagrams we come to know that what is being explained over here. Diagrams also provide us the message, so that is also the way of the communication. On the other hand, this is the process which is being followed between the sender and the receiver. Sender is the person who sends the message and receiver is the person who receives the message. On the other hand, there is the communication process which is being followed between the receiver and the sender, between the sender and the receiver. The two-way communication is being followed between sender and the receiver. So the communication process is being provided in this diagram, where first of all sender will be present, sender who just used to send the message. On the other hand, sender, then he will just think of any message, thinking of any idea, the message which he want to receive to the receiver. On the other hand, he will encode the message. Encoding the message means to say that when we are providing such kind of the language to the message, that is the encoding, the way in which you will provide. That may be oral, that may be written, and that may be in the form in which you will provide, and that form must be the understandable form for the receiver. After encoding the message, we will select the media. Media means to say that in the form that through which you want to send the message. You will select the media. That can be the newspaper also, that can be any kind of the magazines, that can be telephone, that can be computer. The way through which you want to send the message, that is the media you will select. When the media will be selected, through that media there will be the receiver. A receiver will be connected with this media and he will receive the message. After receiving the message, receiver will decode the same message which is sent by the sender. Decoding means to say that when the receiver used to understand the message which is being sent by the sender, that is understood by the receiver, that is known as the decoding. After decoding the message, the receiver will send the feedback regarding the message which has been sent by the sender. So this feedback will go to the sender. That is why it is said that there is complete relationship between sender and the receiver, and also this is the circular flow of the information. Circular flow of the information means to say that the communication starts from the sender and this always ends on the sender. When the feedback is not provided by the receiver to the sender, it means to say that the communication process is incomplete. The complete process of the communication will be only when the feedback will be provided by the receiver to the sender. So it is said that it is two-way communication, it is two-way process where there is complete relationship between the understandability of the sender and the receiver. So students, this was the topic which is regarding the communication. The easiest topic is, and also this is very important topic, which is also the very important concept of our life and for the business too, because businessmen they used to deal, and when they are the dealing, there is a two-way communication, there is a communication between the receiver and the sender, and also the sending of the feedback, that is very important for one businessman and for the another businessman. So this was all about today. See you in the next concept. Till then, take care.